to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. Whew, what a week. This week has been crazy for me. I have been filming tutorials for you guys. I have been filming videos, and I have been starting a brand new mini series for my channel. So it's a lot. Real quickly, if you're new here and you clicked on this video because you just found me, I'm so happy you're here. So a few of you have asked, why the Spoonie Stitcher? I'm so glad you asked. The Spoonie Stitcher is, I'm a spoonie, someone who lives with chronic illness. Say energy is a bunch of spoons in your hand. So I'm gonna use pens real quick. Let's say I wake up every day and I have spoons. This is my energy for the entire day. Every single bit of energy I use is a spoon. And as I get fewer and fewer, my energy levels just deplete. A spoonie wakes up every single day with fewer spoons than any other healthy person. Okay, that's where spoonie came from. Stitcher. Well, stitcher is somebody who does something with textiles. So quilting, sewing, knitting, weaving, crochet, macrame, any kind of something that involves a textile of some kind. It's also a joke because I have had several surgeries in my life that you can't see, but my chest and abdomen look like a crazy quilt. I'm made of stitches, so the Spoonie Stitcher. So if you clicked on this video, now you know. Quick recap, if you didn't see my previous videos, I participated in the AmigurumiMOD with After Ever After and Caroline for the Love of Crochet, and mine was the Aristocats. I made a video all about it. I finally finished, if you saw my Easter video, I finally finished my bunnies, which are a tutorial that is coming out this week. Exciting! So, yes, the Pill Pal bunnies are coming. I started a new series called Broadway Bears. If you missed it, I will link it in the description box below. This is Phantom Bear. He is my design, and I am so happy with him. Isn't he cute? He's so cute, right? Oh, I love him. He's a great size for cuddling, too. Everything you see here is 100% my design. I didn't even have inspiration except for, this picture. So, if you missed what this is all about, I will link the video in the description box below. I have also been busy working on more Pill Pal pet designs for you guys. I finished a design that is going to be a tutorial in May. I'm very excited about it. I think it's one of my favorite things I've ever designed. Well, I really liked making this one though, I will say. But the tutorial that I have in mind is a whole lot smaller. And its theme is, well, I don't want to give it away. There are a lot of movies coming out this summer. A lot. The tutorial is based on one of those. And I won't even tell you if it's an animal or a human. Or it may not even be amigurumi. Curious? Good. I have also made 3 videos on how to do different things that I did for my mod. I made a video on how to brush yarn, so I'll teach you guys how to do that. I made a video on how to put puffy paint on fuzzy yarn, like his little eyes. I also made a video tutorial on how to put it on non-fluffy acrylic yarn, like my little letter seal here. So those videos are coming up very soon. And then of course, the big one, the Q&A. Yeah, that is taking longer to film than I thought. You guys asked a lot of questions, and questions that needed like charts and research. So I'm doing my best. I'm trying, you guys. I am trying not to overdo it on my body because did that in March. Big mistake. That's it. That's my video for today. That's what's coming up on the channel. If you have any questions, never hesitate to email me. I love when you guys email me. I look at every email. I look at every comment. I may not respond to them right away, but I try really hard to get to them as soon as possible. And I absolutely love when you guys just want to talk to me. Several of you have just shown me stuff you've made. Like I had it in the background and I linked it below and you guys like, I made this. Thank you. That's awesome. I love seeing what you've made. Please hit the notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. I don't stick to a schedule, so if you don't hit the notification bell, you may not know when I post a new video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Yarn Zebra family. I would love to have you over here. I've got tutorials, I've got hook reviews, I've got product review, I've got just vlogs where I just talk about what I've made. And I've done some collabs with people. There's all kinds of interesting stuff on here. Plus, we have the new Broadway Bears series, which just started, if you want to click on that. It's a new mini-series, so yeah, I'm promoting it a lot. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.